Wow! Thank you. Hello everyone and welcome back to Food Review Club. I'm here in Sheffield at this place behind me, Taco Mex, for some Mexican delicious food. We parked across the road and this place looked hustling and bustling. Hello mate, you crack on. There's a lot of people, I'm getting a lot of funny looks by the way. A lot of people upstairs queuing up. We've gone in and it looks great. I've got drink watch, by the way. Here we go. Genuine Mexican drink. I think we featured this on the page at Dope Burger and Hole. Is that right?
Yeah.
Good memory. We had the orange one before. This is the guava. Jarritos. Jarritos? Jarritos! Ay, 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 ay. Made in Mexico since 1950. That's absolutely lovely. That is a quality drink. Glass bottle too.
Classy.
Classy. Good to hold. Firm to grip. Now, obvious choice would be to get a taco. Yeah? I didn't fancy a taco. I'm growing out of tacos. I find them quite messy, quite sloppy, full of flavour. I just don't like the texture. Looking at the menu, he's got a wicked menu of burritos, all sorts of other stuff that are not tacos. And I thought, why not dive into something else for you guys on the channel now? Now, I've gone for the chicken poblano, which is crispy, sour cream covered, cheese covered, salsa covered chicken on a bed of potato gratin. Straight away, I thought to myself, if that has a Mexican twist, I'm going to be excited for the food. Now come and have a look. On top here is my oh my God, look at this. Is my breadcrumb. Oh wow. It's cheesy. Oh Jesus Christ. How much is this, by the way? You got food, I got food, 18 quid?
Yeah.
Is that right?
And this drink, yeah.
And underneath, come and have a look in there.
Yeah.
That is my potato gratin. As that's even how you say it. Wow. Mexican flavoured, Mexican styled. I'm even wearing a Mexican outfit.
Oh, I hadn't noticed.
Over it. Right, let's dive in. Need some food. I love Mexican food. I'm not just talking about Old El Paso mixes you get from Tesco's for your fajitas at home. The flavours, the spices, they are great. It works. Look at this piece of potato. Looks like they've got some kind of herbs, spinach in there maybe, I'm not sure what it is. Cheese. Hello mate.
You look like a mascot for this
Do I?
restaurant.
Do I? Like Andy Ruiz walking down the street after he beat Joshua. Fat bloke wearing a sombrero. So, this potato underneath is truly special. I've got a deep, rich tomato, pepper flavour, all brought together with the cheese. This is special. Really, really nice. Let's have a bit of this chicken. I've only got one hand, so look at it.
That looks so good.
Look at the caramel, look how dark it is. Crispy. Wow, here we go. Wow! The crispy crunch. The texture. Oh my God.
Ooh.
Oh my God. It's just me, or am I getting in the vibe? Sheffield. Do you guys come here? If you live in Sheffield, by the way, please, live in the surrounding areas. If you're a student here, I don't know, is this a student area, Jess?
Yeah.
It is. Is this like a little hotspot? Because I'm telling you now, this food is sensational. Absolutely amazing. I highly recommend it if I were you, mate. This is special. Look. Oh my God, this is tasty. The breadcrumbs have got a rich crunch to it. The cheese oil's in there as well, with all the Mexican spices, flavours, and the chicken's good. Get these one. Here we go. There you go. Right, lads. Go on. Anything you want to say? I chatted to these two fellas earlier on when I came on the street.
I see you on Facebook.
Yeah, get him on as well. What's your name? Nicholas. Have you been in it before?
No.
It's well good. Yeah. Anything you want to say?
I'll go in one day.
Nice one. See you later. I seen you on Facebook. Nice one, brother. Right, it's a bit hard to like not stand out wearing this, isn't it? Going back to the food. This is a sensational meal. They're not skimping on chicken either. Look at this, guys. Look, come here, look. They have got massive pieces of chicken. Look, with my potato underneath, cheesy potato. Hey, someone else, look. I'm the king of Sheffield.
Yeah. Never been here before.
The king is back. I've never even been here. People say I only give out good scores when I'm hungry. There's an element of truth to that. But I'm like really taken aback by this. Mexican for me, I love my fajitas and stuff, but this tastes like the real deal and I've never even been. It's like, not because I'm just wearing a sombrero. Maybe I'm getting in the vibe a little bit, I don't know. This tasted good. Tasted great. I'm majorly impressed. Sheffield, you've got yourself a winner. What am I going to give this out of 10? Hello. How's it going? What do you think of my hat? Very nice. What am I going to give this out of 10? I think for a delicious Mexican little treat, this even got the real deal, authentic drink. This reminds me of hearty home-cooked food. Potato gratin, I love it. It's creamy, it's potato, it's cheesy, it's delicious, it's wholeheartedly delightful. Carbs, like yummy. I've got the texture of the chicken on top. The chicken was incredible, and I've got all the flavours that we know and love from Mexico. I'm going to give this a score today of... I'm just going to give it a 9 out of 10. Whopping great big 9 out of 10. Don't believe me? Come put it to the test. Sheffield, you have been a pleasure. On to the next review. Remember, if you haven't liked and subscribed, do it, and maybe even give this video a share. Thanks for watching, everyone, and that was a review.